How's it going, skiers and riders? I'm John, and this is your Sunday, March 31st, Wachusett Mountain Snow Report. We are in the final days of the season here, but that hasn't stopped us. Our groomers took care of the mountain, and we still have 26 trails for you to dig your edges into and 5 lifts spinning to get you to the top. As far as the weather goes, we are looking at temps in the 50s. There is some rain coming a little later, but just put on a raincoat and you will be fine to keep going. Next Sunday is our last day, and what better way to close out the season than with a pond skim? Come by in your favorite costume and see how far you can ski or ride across the water. We'll have plenty of prizes, music, and food specials for everyone. Registration starts at 10:30 with the pond skim starting at noon. John, and this is your Sunday, March 31st, Wachusett Mountain Snow Report. That's all I have for today and for the season. Keep an eye on social media for any updates to the mountain you might need to know about. Have a good Sunday. Thanks for the great season, and I'll see you on the slopes.